This presentation I did in China, trying to show who's really the oldest orchestra in Asia. And those orchestras, for example, Shanghai continues to claim they're the first orchestra in Asia. But the first time Chinese musicians joined Shanghai is in the 1930s. Kami, 1926, the orchestra is already Filipino. Of course, the conductor was Lipai, who's from Europe, and later Zipper from Europe. That's fine, but we have this commitment to Filipino music. We even also discover and nurture Filipino talents. So right now we have scholarship programs for Filipinos. We have them studying music. Is not easy. It's not cheap. It's very expensive. And so we have this program to support their education. Some members of the orchestra was able to go through college because of our scholarship programs. Currently this year, we have 6 young musicians in Europe and in the United States studying in the music schools there. And sometimes when they come back, we feature them as soloists in the orchestra. So we're not just an orchestra that's of course international with international repertoire, etc. But we do a lot of nation building in our activities. So these scholarship programs and also the outreach concerts that we saw, those workshops that we do in the provinces. Those are very important part of the mission of the EMC.